Where are the people that said second trimester symptoms in pregnancy are a little bit fair, they are good? Second trimester, you are going to enjoy, you are going to be able to jump from one story building to the another. Please, you guys, move forward, like move forward here. I am going to spank you guys. I am going to be giving you stroke of canes. You guys, fam, second trimester for me, I don't know your own experience. Please share with me in the comment section if you are like me or if you have another opinion. Please share with me. I would like to read from you. Second trimester was a deal for me. Like, it was another episode of its own. Like first trimester, that I'm even complaining, I kind of even think first trimester was a bit okay, but second trimester, fam, oh my goodness, like I'm going to be sharing with you guys all I felt, how I feared loss of my pregnancy in my second trimester. So first thing first, guys, like I have a whole lot of, like I usually say, I have a bunch of experience, but the ones I thought, like the ones I feel like they are a beauty, I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So first thing first was forgetfulness. Oh my goodness, I don't know if my memory decreased till about 1%. Like I forget things, like at every opportunity I forget things. Tell me, okay, do this, and I'm going to tell you that okay, I will. In the next few minutes, I've forgotten. It was that bad. Another thing I noticed was sleeplessness. Oh my goodness, short sleep. I'm just going to sleep for about 15 minutes and I'm awake. I'm going to pee. Like it was that annoying. Like it was that annoying. Like I couldn't. Oh my goodness, like the sleep. It was, and funny thing is, it was when I'm starting to enjoy that sleep, then I'm going to stand up and want to pee. Like it was that irritating. Sleeplessness was a thing throughout my second trimester. And this one I'm about sharing, I don't know if it's a might, but it was what I felt. Things were slipping from my hand. If I hold my jotter, it's going to slip. If I hold a spoon, it's going to slip off from my hand. Like it was that irritating. Like, and like I find it difficult to bend down to pick these things. So why are they even falling in the first place? Like if I'm trying to wear my wig, it will slip off. It will slip from my hand. And the obonge of them all, this is the story, this is the gist, this is the main gist I'm going to share with you guys. So it was, I think it was towards the last quarter of my second trimester. So I realized that I was having stomach cramps. I was even feeling it was just mere stomach cramps. So, and it was on a, I think it was on a weekend. Was it on a weekend? I think it was on a Friday. So I said, I told my husband that let's watch up until weekend. Let's watch up until Sunday to know if this is going to go off or not. And it got worse, and I was waiting for it to subside, but it got worse at around midnight Sunday. Like I couldn't stand up, I couldn't walk properly, and my my clinic is a bit far. So I realized there is a all this general hospital clinic close to my area, and I told my husband, let's go to this clinic, let's check if they could help. So we went to the clinic. I told them we register. It was my first time there, so I had to register. I had to make all this documentation, and I got to see the matron. I think it was a matron or the nurse or whatnot. So I told her that this is what I'm feeling. I'm pregnant, and this is what I'm feeling. I've been feeling this for about 3 days now, and it's not going, like it is not even preparing to go. So what can we do? And it got me checked. It checked my BP and all of that. It checked my tummy. It checked he checked, and he told me, she checked rather, and she told me, okay, she's going to prescribe drugs for me, and she's going to give me what's it called, she's going to give me injections. So that day she gave me 2 injections and told me I was going to come back for the last one. So I was like, okay, fine. So I got the 2 injections in my bottles, and at first I felt better. Like, I felt a little bit better. It felt, yeah, I felt better. And I think the injection was like a pain reliever, so I wouldn't know, I don't know. So Aisha got the injection, and she told me when I get home I should get Misty Mag, and that would help. And I'm like, okay, I think I have Misty Mag at home, and I'm going to take it, because all through my pregnancy journey I stopped self-medication. Like, even if I know that this is going to work, I'm not going to take it until I have someone prescribe it for me. So fam, when I got home, I took the what's it called, I took the Mist Mag, and she told me to take paracetamol as well. So I took it. I think I felt better. I was able to sleep for some minutes, and I told you guys it was on Sunday, and she told me to come back the next day, which is Monday, for my last injection. So fast forward to the next day, I managed to go to the clinic, because I was still feeling the pain. I told my husband, I said, this pain is not even subsiding. Like, I felt better yesterday while I was giving the injection, but now the pain is back. I'm not sure this is working fine. So it was just like, okay, let's just get this injection so as to complete the dosage. So we got there. I told the nurse that I'm not feeling any better, and she was like, no, when you get this last injection, you're going to feel fine. But fam, they lied. The pain got severe that I couldn't walk. I couldn't do any single thing at all. Like, I was feeling restless, I was feeling pain, I was in pain. Like, I was scared. I was like, hey, I hope I'm not going to leave this pregnancy. Hey, like, I was just feeling weird. And it was the next day, I think it was Tuesday. I think I waited till like Tuesday or Wednesday. It wasn't any better. Like, on that Wednesday, I got a little bit of strength to at least step out. So I told my husband, let me just manage to go to my clinic. Let me not think because my clinic is far and I'm going to be going through this pain. And when I got to my clinic, Viola, I found out that I'm having GED, because when I saw a doctor and I was giving my file, and I'm giving my file, I'm educated. I'm going to check what you are prescribing for me. I'm going to check what you wrote about me. I'm going to check your comments. I'm going to check my comment. I'm going to check your comments about my complaint rather. So I checked it. I saw that it wrote GERD. And when I Google, see, you guys, you should make Google your friend. Any single thing you don't know or you are finding difficult to understand, just put it on Google. So I put GERD on Google, and I got gastroesophageal reflux disease, which occurs when stomach acid frequently flows back into the tube connecting your mouth and your stomach. Or you can as well see it this way: GED, which is gastroesophageal reflux disease, is a long-term condition in which acid from the stomach comes up into the esophagus. Do you guys understand what I mean? Like, you can just read up on GERD in pregnancy. You can have it read up on Google. Like, fam, I had the doctor ask me if I was an ulcer patient, and I told him yes, I'm an ulcer patient. And he was like, hey madam, please, I will need you to stay away from fried stuff, stay away from oily stuff. And I'm like, okay. And he was like, are you sure? And I said, anything for my baby and anything for my health, I'm gonna do it. So he shall prescribe drugs. That day, that very day, I got 3 injections. One in my left buttocks, second one in my right, and third one in my arm. Like, I felt a little bit better at the clinic, and I got much better when I got home. Like, I had to rest, I had to relax. I slept about a while better than my first experience. And the next day I went back to my last injection, which is my other arm, and I felt really better. Like, in my mind, I feel like I wasted my time going to that general health care. Like, I don't know, maybe it didn't work for me. I don't know if it works for people, but it didn't work for me. So I had to stay with my what's it called, my clinic. Ever since then, every single thing that does me, even if I have headache, I'm going to manage to get to my clinic. Like, I'm not going to compare going to another place. Let me just go to my clinic, even if it's that far. Let me go to it. And another thing I noticed towards this end of second trimester, like the beginning of third trimester, is hiccups on my left side. It was that serious. Like, I feel like the baby is putting its feet like this, like it was pushing my left stomach. Like, I don't know if the baby was putting its feet like this. It was that bad. Like, the hiccup on my left side was serious. Like, I feared. Like, I was like, hey, God, what is happening? I hope it's not something bad that is preparing to happen to me. So guys, this is my story. Let me hear from you. What was your second trimester like? Was it stress-free? Was it stress like my own? Was it stressful? Was it stress-free? Let me know. Share with me in the comment section, and I would like to read from you. Here is my own personal experience. Here is how I felt all through my second trimester journey. I feared loss of my pregnancy, God forbid. Yeah, so let me know. I would like to read from you. Until then, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Stay blessed.